Today I will tell you about law and order administration. Police officers at all levels perform a range of functions depending upon the nature of responsibilities entrusted with them. The competency profile of officers posted at the General Executive Branch is portrayed under maintenance of law and order. Then there comes some problems in maintaining law and order. The law and order comes under the Ministry of Home Affairs, Department of Internal Security in India. The ministry is responsible for matters relating to the internal security of the country and enacts laws for the functioning of the criminal justice system. To maintain law and order, there are some problems they face. First is, everybody know about this, increasing population. Day by day, the population of our country is increasing. Then comes increasing tech gadgets, means increase in technology. People are using so many technologies, and due to this, new crime comes out. The anonymity of the offenders, that makes a challenge for the police to trace them. So, this is a big problem. New apps day by day. So, these are very unauthentic also, and in other means, police face difficulty to find the offenders. Lack of trained police. Then less fear of law or punishment. Industrialization, urbanization, agrarian and tribal revolts, political, caste and communal violence, labor and student unrest, terrorism, and so on. Then comes natural calamities, disaster, and emergency duties. First is assure safety of life and property, provide shelter, rehabilitate, evacuate people from crisis situation, and provide transportation during. First is natural, fire, flood, storm, disease, just like in these days, COVID-19, you can say. B. Man-made, electrical, chemical, gas tanker, explosions, and major accidents. Order maintenance and security jobs. Then there are some other responsibilities are also there for the police officers. That is crowd control, undertake surveillance activities during processions, festivals of various types. Then mob management, perform duties of commanding officer and execute action by cell or as it's suggested by senior officers while dealing with agitating and unruly mobs. Then pilot and escort, manage VVIP security and perform assigned duties during VVIP visits. Control of rights, execute actions by self or orders from by other officers during internal disorders like communal rights, struggle between various classes, castes, and other clashes. Perform arrest of accused involving pending cases. Conduct check of hardcore criminals. Hardcore criminals are professional or habitual criminals and perform preventive works. Then there are crime prevention and preservation of peace and security. Check lodges, hotels, brothels, and conduct raids to detect and prevent unlawful activities to maintain law and order. Conduct vehicle check, act as a sanctioning authority of security proceedings, initiate documentation of Roddy history and periodical renew and review them, which is unorderly history. Maintain proficiency in handling weapons and scientific equipments used for crime detection and crime prevention. Detect crimes and perform preventive arrests. Then maintain law and order in traffic duties. Enforce traffic rules and regulations, just as Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019 is there. Create awareness about traffic laws. Act as a member in advisory council committee, that is for traffic monitoring, developmental and structural changes at subdivisional level. Then conduct investigation of major accidents. Compound petty traffic offences, like small traffic offences. In those cases, they make the compromise between the parties or something. Undertake preventive measures to minimize accidents. Thank you.